G'day guys, so I've just created a new Windows 11 media creation tool and currently I cannot get this to actually go into offline mode. I've tried disconnecting the Ethernet cable which previously worked, now that is no longer going. So we're going to have to do this a different way. If we go hold down Shift F10, or on this keyboard I have to hold down Function Shift F10, we need to bring up Command Prompt. And from here we want to type in, we want to bring this up and type in OOBE / BYPASSNRO. We want to type in this. Once we type that in, hit enter, and the computer should want to restart from there. And once we've restarted, it should give us the option to go in offline mode. So the PC just restarted. I'm going to go yes, yes. So it just goes back to the initial setup screen. But from here, we now have this option. I don't have internet. Continue with limited, yes. And from here, you can just do your normal PC setup. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.